Hiccups is the new runaway comedy smash sensation for the next generation. In a nutshell, it's a sitcom.
There's just so many choices. Half of these things, I don't even know what they are. Why do they write them in Italian? Who speaks Italian? Let's see.
It's kind of about the blind leading the blind. It's about a children's author who's emotionally very volatile, who seeks guidance from a less than qualified life coach, me.
So you're upset that you get angry and confused about crying when you get happy sometimes.
Millie refers to her emotional outbursts as hiccups.
Shut your face and get a coffee.
Took out the word stupid.
She's completely trusting that I'm a pro, and you know, she thinks I'm going to cure her of all her ailments.
Sometimes I get real happy, but overly happy is what I'm told, in which case I start to cry, but then I cry when I'm sad also, you know, and that's pretty normal, isn't it? Or am I all turned around on that one too? See, it's tricky.
It's really two individuals who kind of have no business working together, trying to find their way through life.
It's like you're right inside my head. So what do you think? Can you fix me up?
No, I can't.
Damn it!
I was gonna say I could show you how to fix yourself.
Oh, that would be awesome!